Hello, good morning student. Today my video of class 8 mathematics. We will start exercise 3F. In this exercise student, we have also to find the square root by long division method, but here we have to find the square root of some decimals. For example student, here it is given that evaluate. The first question is under root 1.69. 1.69. Now, so we have to factorize here the 1.69. Now, in our mind, we have to think the square of which number is closest to 1? Of course, 1. So we have to write 1 at 3 places. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1 is 1. Here we have to add. Now, what we take from here? Now whenever we are taking the digits after decimal, we have to mark a decimal here. Okay. Now what we have to write? Now we will take here 69. What we will write? With 2 and multiply with the same to get 69. Of course 3. So 23 3 is 69 and here 3 also. When we subtract, we will get the value 0. So the square root of 1.69 is 1.3. Look another example, question number 4. Find the square root of 75.69. Now, I have written here 75.69, making the pair. Now in my mind, I have to think the square of which number is less than 75. Of course, the square of 9 is 81, so we are taking here the square of 8. That's why we have to write 8 3 times. Here we have to add 8 8 16. So 8 8 is 64. When we subtract the value, we will get here 11. Okay, student? Now, we are taking the digits after the decimal, so we have to place the decimal here also. Now, what we will take here? 69. By which number we multiply this one to get the 69? Of course, with 7. So 7 7 is 49. 7 6 is 42 and 4 46. 7 1 is 7 and 4 11. So we have applied also here. When we subtract the values, so the square root of 75.69 is 8.7. Look one more example here, question number 8. 0.2916. That we have to find out. So here 0.2916. Make a pair here. Now in first we are taking the decimal after digits, so we have to place the decimal first here. Now the square of which number is closest to 29? Of course 5. So we will write here 5. The square of 5 is 25. Now here the value is 4. Again we are taking 1 6. So by which number we will multiply to get 1 6? 4. Also we will write here 4. 1 4 4 is 416. So the square root of 0.2916 is 0.54. Any confusion, student? Now moving on, next question. Question number 9 and 10 both are same. So we are going here to solve question number 10. But before that, we have to clean the board. Evaluate root 2.8, correct up to 2 places of decimal. Student, when such type of question, actually question number 10 and 11 are same, student. After that I will solve question number 9. When it is given the correct up to 2 places of decimal, how many places of decimal? 2 places. Then after decimal, for as per the place, we are taking the twice number of digits after decimal. Here what is the place of decimal? 2 places. Therefore after decimal 4 digits are required. 4 digits are required. But here only 1 digit is given. So we are making 3 zeros from our side here. We are putting 3 zeros here from our side. Okay. Again I am repeating. If in question it is given that find the value up to 2 places of decimal, then just put twice the places of decimal with 0. What number of digits? If the 2 places of decimal is given here, then multiply it by 2. When you multiply it by 2, you will get 2 to the 4. Means after decimal, how many digits are required? 4 digits. But here only one digit is given, so you have to, or we have to give here 3 zeros from our side. Now, when this word is added in the question, you have to mark one more pair of zeros from our side. One more pair. Only if it is given that evaluate root 2 decimal 8 up to 2 places of decimal, then only we have to mark the 4 digits after the decimal. But when it is given correct up to 2 places of decimal, then we have to mark 2 more zeros from our side. Okay? Now look here. 2 decimal 8 and how many zeros? 5 zeros. Now we'll make pair from here. Now think in your mind, the square of which number is closest to 2? Of course 1. 1 and 1, 2. 1 1 ja 1. Subtracting the values, we will get here what? 1. Now, when we are taking the digit after the decimal, we have to mark here decimal. Okay, 80. By which number we multiply 2 with the same to get the equal value? We will multiply it by 25 is 125, 26 is 100, 156, 27 7 is 189. It's greater, so we are taking here 6. 6 is 36 and 6 to 12 and 15. 156. Here 32. Now 10 minus 6, 4. Here 7 minus 5, 2. Okay. Now again we are taking 2 zeros here. Now by which number we multiply? 8 times is greater, it becomes greater. So we are taking here 7 times. So 7 7 is 49 in the hand. 4 7 2 is 14 and 4 18 in the hand. 1 7 3 is 21 and 1 22. When you subtract the values, you will get here 11, 1300, 300 and 400. Again we are taking 2 zeros here. It becomes 334. Okay students, when you add them, you will get 334. Now, by which number we will multiply here? Of course with 3, because 4 times it will be greater. 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 3 is 9 1 10, in the hand 1 3 3 9 1 10. The result will be here. Okay. And here also. Okay, student, 9,971 here. Okay, student, now here the remainder is 1,071. So, if we are taking the value of under square root 2 decimal 8, we will get 1.673. This value, now we are write the value only up to correct up to 2 places. So 1.67. Now, if the digit, if the last digit coming after the second digit of the decimal is between 5 to 9, or from 5 to 9, not between, from 5 to 9, then it gives the point to the previous digit. But here there is no value from 5 to 9, so we will give no digit, no value to the previous digit, and the value is 1.67, and the value is 1.67. If the value of the third digit after the decimal, if the value of the third digit is from 5 to 9, then it passes a point to the preceding digit. But if the value of the third digit is not from 5 to 9, then it will not pass any point to the previous digit. And the answer is here 1.67. Okay, students? Similarly, you can solve the question number 8 here. In question number 9, student, it is given here that evaluate root 3 up to 2 places of decimal. 2 places of decimal. 2 places of decimal. Now, Only here given the 2 places. What is the twice of 2? The twice of 2 is 4. So here there is no digit after the decimal here. So we have to mark 4 digits. Therefore we have to give 4 zeros from our side after the decimal. And now making here pairs like that. Now we will find the value of 3. We have to think in our mind the square of which number is near about 3. ठीक है ना? The square of 1. 1 plus 1 here 2. Square of 1 is 1. Okay. Now we are taking the next digit 0. Now we have to multiply 2 with a such number. Whenever we are taking the digits after the decimal, we have to mark decimal here also. Now we have to think in our mind the square of which what number we will write here and multiply with the same to get the value nearest to 200. 7, 27, 7, 30, 34, 27, 7, 189. What the remainder remains here? 11. Again we are taking 2 zeros here. Now we multiply by which number here? Here we have to write a number and multiply with the same number to get the value nearest 1100. Of course we are taking here 3, and when we multiply 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 59 is 10, 71. Okay. So the square root of 3. Here we have to not take 6 digit. When it is given in the question correct up to 2 places, when the correct word is given, then we have to mark 2 more zeros. So the value of square root is up to 2 places of decimal is 1.73. Okay student, in this way you have to solve the rest of the question of this exercise 3F. Thank you students.